Good day everyone. Learn how to fix some keys not working on laptop keyboard. So this is a very common issue and it is fixable. So the very first step here is to restart the computer. Sometimes when we restart the computer and it automatically fixes the keys if some keys are not working. Once you have done the restart, if still some keys are not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then you need to manually look in all keys by hand, touch and feel, don't press, see if there is any gap or if any button is pressed mechanically. There could be a physical problem where any of the key is stuck to the downside. If it's there, then you need to make sure it is absolutely at the right place. Sometimes this happens in the laptop where some keys are stuck to the downside. So you need to make sure all the keys are at the right place and it is not pressed by mistake in a physical issue. So once you are done with the checking, then you need to do a right click in the start icon and then go to device manager. Alright, and here I'll maximize it and we will go to the keyboard. Now you will find your standard PS2 keyboard. You just need to do a right click, uninstall, and it will say restart your computer now. The moment I click on restart, yes, it will restart and automatically download the new driver again. Alright, and by doing this, for most of us, this will fix the problem. Do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is able to fix some of the keys are not working or not. If not, do let me know. I'll try my best to fix your problem. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.